Look at this foggy day. The fog is blowing by the window. Steam is coming off of the house. And see, the cobwebs are all fogged up. Little beads of dew. Well, what's in the box, boys? What's in the box? You're gonna get a Kleenex out of that box? Is that all you're gonna do? What are you doing now with that box? Are you watching the proceedings from above? I don't know what he's doing. What do you think he's doing? What do you think he's doing? I don't know. You going up in the bed? Lizzie, you just wanted to sit on the box? Or did you just want to sit on the box, Buzz? Well, he's crazy.